Hello student, today we will do question number 2 from exercise 8.1 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. Find integration of find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. This first we will draw ellipse. This is ellipse. This is y-axis. This is y dash. This is x dash. This is x. Here it is row origin. Let's suppose this is A, B, A dash, and B dash. Coordinates of this will be 2, because here it is 4, so 2, 0, here will be 0, 3. This we have to find area of the region. So we will take here C. This is y and this is dx, and we will find area of this quadrant and then multiply by 4. So we will get the area of the whole region. This we will find area of this quadrant. So area of A, B, A dash, B dash, A is equal to 4 into area of O, A, B, O. This is so area will be 4 into 0, 2, 5 dx. Y is here. From here we will take out y. Y will be y square by 9 is equal to 1 minus x square by 4. If we take LCM, y square by 9 is equal to 4 minus x square divided by 4. Y by 3, then if we take out the root, then this will be plus minus 1 by 2. This will be 2 square minus x square. This is y is equal to 3 will go this side, so plus minus 3 by 2 square minus x square. This is, so here we will take y will be positive negative because this is in first quadrant, so y will be positive. So and 3 by 2 will take out right outside, so 4 into 3 by 2 integration 0 to, and here will be 2 square minus x square under root dx. Now we will use here will be 2 factor. So this will be 6 integration 0 to 2 square minus x square dx. Now we'll use formula for integration of a square minus x square dx. Integration, this formula is x by 2 a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus this is on this formula we will integrate this, so we will get 6 x by 2 4 minus x square plus 4 by 2 sine inverse x by 2. Limit is 0 to, now we'll put limit, so 6 x by 2 if we'll put a limit, then if we will put it 2, so this will be 2 here, 2 by 2, and this will be 0, so this whole will be 0, and here will be 2 and sine 2 by 2 sine inverse 1 means pi by 2, so 2 into pi by 2, and lower limit if we will put, so this will be 0, the whole will be 0, here will be also 0, so minus 0. This is 2 and 2 in fact, so this will be 6 pi. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care.